Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. If today is your first time at this channel, kindly subscribe to get notification when I upload new videos. Few days ago, I introduced you to an arbitrage trading platform known as Neswap, where you trade multiple cryptocurrencies to earn profit. In today's video, I'm going to show you my withdrawal from Neswap after my trade. So I will open my Neswap app and go to trade. So I will change from manual mode to auto mode because I did the auto mode trade. I'm swiping down to see the trade. As you can see from auto trade list, my order has been completed, and I earned 2.19 USDT as my total profit. Aside, the amount you use to trade, the plan, and the order book you choose also determine the amount you earn. I'm going to wallet to see all transactions and how the trade went. So I will go to bill. So the bill shows all transactions, including what I earn daily from my trade, as well as my withdrawals and deposits. My order is complete, so I will go back to my wallet to withdraw the money. So I will tap on withdraw. Before I withdraw, I will first check my network address before I paste my withdrawal address. I have copied my TRC20 address, so I'll go back and paste it. Now, I will enter the amount I want to withdraw. The platform charges only 0.15% as service charge when you're making withdrawal. I will now tap on withdrawal token and confirm the withdrawal. For security reasons, I will have to enter my Google authentication code before I withdraw. We'll tap on confirm to confirm the withdrawal. Now, I will go to bill to see the status of my withdrawal. Now, my withdrawal is to be reviewed. We'll wait for some time for withdrawal to reflect. You can come to recommendation to copy your invitation link to refer your friends. The platform gives referral bonus when any of your referral recharge their account. I'm going back to my wallet to see the status of my withdrawal. So I will refresh the page. My withdrawal has been paid successfully. So I go and check my Binance if it has reflected. My withdrawal has reflected in my account successfully. You can check my previous video to know more about this platform. Thanks for watching. Please like and share to your friends and do well to subscribe.